Good morning, Meraz. Good morning, teacher. You look very upset. What's the matter? I have a problem I want to share with you. What is it? Please tell me. I learn English every day. Okay, I am listening. My problem is that I forget what I learned. So, you don't remember what you learned? That's right. Please help me. Do you forget everything you learn? Not everything. I remember certain thing. Okay, how do you learn English? I mainly watch your YouTube channel. Never give up. Do you listen carefully when you are watching? Yes, I try, but I forget. Do you repeat what you hear out loud? Not always. Should I? Yes, it can help you remember. Okay, so I need to repeat what I hear out loud. That's right. Should I repeat just once or more than once? The more times you repeat, the better. Sure, I will do that. Do you practice speaking English every day? No, not every day. Should I speak more? Yes, practice speaking daily. Sure, teacher. I will start practicing speaking every day. Do you also read English books or stories? Sometimes, but I forget the words. Do you write English words down? No, not really. Is that important? Yes, writing helps you remember better. I see. You need to practice all four skills of language. What are the four skills of language? Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. But I just want to improve my speaking skills. You can't speak unless you listen first. Yes, teacher, now I get it. Okay, now let's practice listening and speaking. Listen to my sentence and you make a similar sentence. Okay, I will try my best. I wake up early every day. I wake up late every day. I like listening to rock music. I like listening to pop music.